Imagine your child has just done something wrong. How do you respond? Do you yell, punish, or ignore them? There is a better way to correct your child without damaging their self-esteem or your relationship. Today, we will explore Islamic parenting principles on how to gently guide your child towards the right path. So sit back, relax, and get ready to learn some valuable parenting tips. And remember, don't skip this video. There's something important for every parent to learn here. The first and main point is, correct in private. Instead of yelling in front of others, take your child aside and speak to them privately. This will avoid public humiliation and create a safe space for discussion. When you take your child aside, they're more likely to listen attentively and learn from their mistakes without feeling defensive. Remember, the goal is to guide and support them, not to publicly embarrass them. 2. Avoid criticizing. Rather than saying, "You're so careless," try a more understanding approach. "I know you didn't mean to break the vase. Let's figure out how we can apologize and make things right." Use a calm and understanding tone of voice. This will help the child to feel less defensive and more open to a conversation. Focus on the solution. Instead of dwelling on the mistake, focus on finding a way to fix it. Show empathy. Let your kid know that you understand that mistakes happen and that you're not judging them. 3. Correct to proper conduct. When your child exhibits inappropriate behavior, use this as an opportunity to explain the Islamic perspective. Share stories from the Quran and Sunnah about prophets, companions, and other righteous individuals who faced similar challenges. Relate Islamic teachings to your child's experiences. For instance, if they're struggling with sharing, explain how the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, emphasized the importance of generosity and giving. 4. Limit what you say. When correcting your child's behavior, it's important to be clear, direct, and concise. Avoid lengthy lectures or explanations that can confuse or overwhelm them. Instead, focus on the specific behavior that's causing the problem and provide a simple, easy-to-understand correction. 5th point is related to 4th point. Prioritize what you want to correct. Don't try to tackle every behavioral issue at once. Prioritize the most harmful behaviors and address them gradually for a more effective and less stressful parenting experience. The last and most important point is instill a sense of shame before Allah. The fear of Allah is a powerful motivator for good behavior. By reminding your child of Allah's constant observation, you can help them develop a sense of accountability. Use gentle reminders about Allah's love and mercy, but also His justice and punishment for wrongdoers. Encourage your child to seek forgiveness from Allah and strive to do better. Remind your child that Allah sees everything, even their intentions. Encourage them to seek forgiveness from Allah and strive to avoid similar mistakes in the future. Imagine a world where your child is motivated by love, guided by faith, and empowered by gentle correction. This is the vision of Islamic parenting. By following these principles, you can create a nurturing environment where your child can grow into a responsible, compassionate, and successful individual. Remember, effective parenting is not about punishment or control. It's about love, guidance, and support. By correcting your child with kindness and understanding, you can strengthen your relationship and help them develop a strong moral compass. So, what are you waiting for? Start implementing these Islamic parenting principles today and witness the positive impact on your child's life. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to help spread awareness and inspire other parents. Are you struggling to connect with your teenage child? My last video is packed with practical advice and real-life examples. Watch now and gain valuable insights into Islamic parenting that can strengthen your bond.